Welcome to Tokyo!
Hi everybody, this is Kumiko-Teressa, Tokyo Ramen Girl. Today I'm going to introduce you to two ramen noodle places in Hachioji and Mitakesan. Let's go check them out. The first ramen place is in Okutama, Tokyo. It's at a very popular tourist spot, Mitake Mountain. It is 926 meters in height. You can also take a cable car to get there. You can enjoy a panorama view of Tokyo from this place that's right next to Mitakesan Station. This is a simple ramen with homemade chashu, seaweed, naruto, and green onions. The chashu is 1 centimeter thick and it's in hot chicken-based soy sauce soup. It is softer than it looks. Enjoy the happiness of having ramen noodles on top of a mountain with a beautiful view and hiking. Take a cable car from Mitake Station on JR Ome Line and get off at Mitakesan Station. It's about an hour and a half from Shinjuku Station. Next place is in Hachioji, west side of Tokyo. This area is known to have a lot of good ramen noodle places. The most popular ramen at this place is called Toripaitan soy sauce ramen. The soup is rich and doesn't have an aftertaste, and chicken fat makes it thick. Straight, thin noodles are chewy and goes really well with soup. Chicken chashu and chicken soup, and it's all about chicken ramen. If you'd like to enjoy all chicken ramen noodles, you should definitely come try ramen here. This place is 5-minute walk from Hachioji Station on JR Chuo Line. You can get here straight from Tokyo Station or Shinjuku Station. After you're done with ramen noodles, make a stop at Tama Zoo and enjoy your day with cute animals. This zoo has a lot of nature, so you can enjoy outdoor activities like hiking and canoeing. A Japanese comedian, Doron Tsishimoto, who is known to be an aficionado for ramen noodles, has done these reports. So, what did you think? This is the end of Tokyo Ramen Girl Season 1. Make sure you stop by these places when you come to Tokyo. See you soon!